The Oxford English Dictionary, the foremost authority on the English language, is an online resource of over 600,000 definitions, illustrated with 3.5 million quotations. It's a subscription service that usually costs £90 a year, but library members are able to access it for free. If you're interested in where our words come from, when they were first used, and how their meanings have changed, let's visit the OED. First, visit www.oed.com in your web browser. Click on the sign-in text in the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up box will appear over the page. In the right half of it, enter your library card number. To proceed, just confirm your library by clicking on its name. You will then arrive at the OED homepage. Let's begin with a quick search. Click in the box under the quick search text and type any word and click Go. If only one entry matches your search term, you'll be taken straight to it, but as there are several search results, we can choose one. These are arranged by parts of speech, and within those, by the date first recorded. I'll go with the noun hawk, dating to 700, and click on View Full Entry. The entry begins with a head word in large red letters, and whether it is a noun, verb, or adjective, for instance. Underneath that, you can choose whether you view an outline of the entry, which hides quotations, or the full entry, which shows them. Next is the pronunciation guide, which is useful if it's an unusual word, or because there will sometimes be differences between British English and American English. Click the blue play button to hear the words spoken. The forms show you the common spellings of the words with the date range. There is a frequency band for how common the word is in current usage. The origin and etymology tell you where the word comes from. The definitions follow and are numbered with the sub-meanings given A, B, C letters. In these groups there are one or more quotations to illustrate the word's usage. These come from famous writers, newspapers, up to more recent sources such as blogs and tweets. After that, the word might have other entries for compound words created with it, or its appearance in phrases. In these longer entries, the sidebar to the right can be useful for quicker navigation of the page. If you click on Entry History, you can see how this word has featured in previous printed editions of the dictionary. If you click Entry Profile, you can see a timeline of the entry's date and sense development. Underneath that are the clickable phrases that the head word appears in alphabetical order. If you don't have a particular word in mind and just want to explore the dictionary randomly, click the Lost for Words text underneath the quick search box. A blue speech bubble-like box will pop up with 4 random words in it. Click one of these to find out about the definition. To the right of the page is a box where you can jump to the words that would precede or follow your current word in the dictionary, and these might sometimes be related. If the spelling is uncertain, or you want to find words with a certain pattern of letters, you can use a wildcard. These are represented by an asterisk, so if you would like to search for all words that end in able, you could type *able and then click Go. You'll get results such as abandonable, abatable, and abidable. There is an OED Text Visualiser tool, which is currently in beta access. It allows you to enter text up to 500 words in a search box, and then see a visual representation of when the word was first recorded, which language family it originated in, and how often it is used in the sample. Click on the About text at the top of the page. Scroll down to the Highlights heading and choose the OED Text Visualiser link. Copy and paste your chosen text into the box provided. Click Visualize, and then you will get a chronological scatter graph. The horizontal position shows the year the word was first recorded. The vertical position shows how common the word is in general usage. The colour of the circle denotes the language family. The size of the circle is how often the author uses it in their passage. You can also put in the year the text dates from. Coleridge published Kubla Khan in 1816, and we can see that he was the originator of the compound word pleasure dome. So hopefully now you're a pro at using OED.com to explore and research the English language. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Please follow us on social media for more posts like this, and thanks very much for watching.